Okay, wallahi, keep one thing in your mind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, here I am mentioning, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala finds goodness in your heart, He is going to replace what has been taken away from you with something better. And I was literally amazed by it. You know why? Because if you are a genuine person and you are good, and someone is not treating you well, and you are going to leave them, you are literally a good person. And if Allah find goodness in your heart, He is going to replace with better. Surely better people are going to come. Just believe on it, better people are going to come. So why you are sad about that? Do you not trust Allah with it, huh?